Hello, today I am going to share with you about the instructions regarding clear and temporary end instructions in Allen Bradley PLC. So what do I mean by this? Let me create a new file so that I can explain further. So here, click new, right? So maybe I just open a new run. Okay, so maybe I insert the switch here, virtual switch, so I can go to maybe I go to this logical operation. Okay, just now I use the AND bitwise logical AND instructions, so now I reuse this instruction again just for demonstration purpose. Okay, so I will assign the address in binary 3 column word 0 slash bit 0. Okay, this one bitwise, bit mean binary, so I need to use a binary data file. All right, so let me set to decimal and then maybe increase the elements maybe to about maybe 10. Okay, I can pull the address to here, pull this one to here, destination I put this one to here. Okay, so maybe I will use timer also. Okay, timer on delay, click click. Okay, pull here. Okay, and timer can just assign the address here. Okay, this preset I can set the value here. Okay, so the timing set point is preset time base, so 10 times 1 is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, so this one I will copy to here. I change the bit to 1. Okay, so then this one again I will select this one, maybe I change this one to 3, and then I will this time I will select clear. From move or logical tab I will select clear. Okay, the destination I will set this one, maybe I will set this one. Okay, all right, so let me compile a file by clicking these two icons here to make sure there's no error, and I click here to select download. Okay, you can save your file into your computer hard disk. All right, let me name this file as clear and temporarily and operation. Okay, all right, so what this clear instructions does is it will clear whatever value in the destination address. Let's say this is a B3 column 2, so is this one, whatever value here will be clear, meaning reset to 0. Okay, for example, let me give a value maybe 213A. Okay, all right, maybe I open the binary. Oh, this one haven't set to run, sorry. Okay, let's say I change the value 12A5. Hexadecimal to A5. Okay, maybe B is 11F5. Okay, all right, so let me pull this program all the way to here. Okay, so let's say this operation has been performed. You can see the toggle switch here already triggered to close. So if this one I then if this one I trigger to close, it will clear this destination address value, which is B3 column 2. B3 column 2 value will be reset to 0. Okay, see what happened. See, will be reset to 0. Okay, so similarly for this timer, you can set the timer value to 0 or clear the value to 0. Let me go to offline. Okay, so I will set this preset value. Okay, you can set the preset value or accumulated value for this timer. Okay, so once I trigger this virtual switch to close, this destination address, which is timer 4 column 0, this one timer 4 column 0, preset value will be clear to 0. Okay, so on top of that, I will let me introduce to you about the this one I set to 4. Okay, about the temporarily end. Maybe this one I delete. Maybe I set this. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, so this I will set another one. The address I copy to here. This one I set to 4. Okay, this one I will use this one temporarily end. Okay, to here. So maybe this I copy to here and set this to 5. Okay, and then this I will put the virtual output coil to here. Maybe this is a digital output column slot 0 bit 0. Okay, so what is this temporary end instructions for? This temporary end instructions is used when you want to temporarily end the next scanning or operations. So the PLC program will continue to execute run by run until it reach temporary end instructions here. The following it runs will not execute the scanning or operation. Okay, that means any other operation below, okay, will be ignored after the temporary end. Okay, let me demonstrate by compiling the file and then click download. Okay, so let me clear the timer for column 0 preset value to 0. Okay, let's say I click this one. Let me toggle this one first. Okay, let's say I toggle bit it. So this timer for column 0 preset value will be set to 0. Okay, before that I need to toggle bit here. Oh, sorry, because I haven't clicked this to run the program. Select to run first. Okay, so if I set this toggle bit and to trigger the virtual switch to close, this timer for column 0 preset value, timer for column 0 preset value will be clear to 0. Let's see. See, it will be clear to 0. Okay, so initially this, when I toggle it, this virtual output coil will be energized, right? If I toggle bit here, what happened? The following runs will not be executed. Okay, in other words, all the following runs will not be carried out any operation when when the scanning, when the PLC program execute until this run and meet the temporary end instructions here. Okay, for example, if I click here and click the toggle bit, this virtual coil will not be energized. This is a function of temporary end. When we need to use this instruction, we need to use these temporary end instructions for troubleshooting purpose. Okay, for quick and temporary troubleshooting purpose to find out what is the issue with our programming. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.